Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio of a given video in Premiere Pro. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you're enjoying the video so far. Let's get started. So I have a video right here, which is a 16 by 9 video. So I would like to change it. So the first step is to go to sequence and sequence settings. Here you will see the frame size. It's 1280 by 720. So let's say I want to change it to 9 by 16. So the most simple way, the most straightforward way is to just switch or replace these two numbers. So I'll make this 720 and this 1280. Now we have it as 9 by 16. I'll click OK and OK. Now it's changed to 9 by 16, but the issue is it's not really centered. So we're gonna have to do it manually by going right here to scale and increase the scale a little bit so it fits. But we're also going to need to change the position so we can have the object as the center of the screen. Another much better way is to highlight the video in your sequence, go to sequence and auto reframe sequence. Click the target aspect ratio and click whatever you want. I'll click vertical 9 by 16 and click create. This automatically changes the aspect ratio and makes the object the center of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.